Yeah, yeah. Whoa, I'm so pretty and he like that. When he get it up, he deep inside that. Here we go. Okay. That's always good. Oh yeah. Girl. Okay, so okay. Oh, I need some teasers. Oh yeah. I was gonna ask, is that the only glue that you have over here? This is the only glue? Okay. Okay.
It's like free trial, you know.
Is this glue too, or is this not glue?
Oh yeah, that's glue.
All of this is glue?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. This glue too. I need some glue, but I don't want to. You just said this Amazon.
No, yeah, get on Amazon.
But you know, sometimes I don't know. I be feeling like sometimes they be tweaking that shit. Hey y'all, I'm in my bathroom. Ooh. Okay, so I'm getting a wax for the first time, and y'all, I'm scared. Just take it all off at the same time. I don't know why y'all get waxes. This junk hurts. Oh, wait, no. Wait, I don't know. That junk hurt, boy. Woo! It really don't hurt that bad. No, it did hurt that bad. I'm scared here. I don't know how we gonna do the other side.
We gonna have to do it.
I can see why people vlog that first time, but let me tell you.
Yeah, I gotta get the other side though.
What other side? Yeah, a boy wouldn't even be able to last the day with this.
Oh God, I know that for sure.
For sure. My leg's shaking because I'm still scared. Because I got a whole other side.
Yeah, my life. It took like 5 minutes for you to let me rip it. You said it.
I don't even know what kind of scream that was. I just.
That was thick.
Yeah, this is a lot. Girl, this got the nooks and the crannies.
Just saying, came in with an FN. Two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I don't both down and I asked a few questions. That last week and they already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. She's a Georgia State freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is.
Right now, I'm installing this wig that I received from Lapondai Hair. I received this wig off of Amazon. It is a 13x4 lace front wig that is 22 inches. And y'all, the quality of this wig is so good. I did pluck this wig myself, and I installed it myself using Ghost Bond glue. That's the only glue I use for my wig installs. I did speed this part up because I had somewhere to be, but if you continue looking, you will see how I achieved my bone straight wig with no baby hairs. So just keep watching.
Don't trip, cause I know you're burning up. She says she love me, but she want her. The fuck it up, nevertheless.
The information and link to this hair will be provided in the description box. I am only just doing a bone straight look with no baby hairs because I'm filming this video. Well, not this video, but I'm filming for a video. That's why I'm doing my hair. So you will see how it turns out.
Last week and they already best friends. Last week and they already best friends.
So I'm in the process of putting my lashes on, but I gotta fix this one.
I brought my pink glitter just in case everybody wanted pink glitter. But I don't even think I like it like that. I thought it was gonna be pinker. I like it pink.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Know you being charged, yeah, you look like a voodoo.
I'm weak. Baby girl. I really need to get my flat iron, but I'm just gonna get my hair there. It's not bad. Yeah, when I flat iron, it's gonna be real. Yeah, it's gonna be getting that. Oh, I thought he fixed us. Thank you, girl. You really. So we just leggings and jazz boots. Oh yeah, that's what I meant. You know, you want to also hit them sides just to blend. I give that an even blend. We like to hit those sides. Hold on. Cause I really need somebody. Tell me you're not somebody. Yeah. Get into it. Get into it. What lace? What lace? Out.
I'm off back, you off hand. Told me to say something that you do often. I can't say the same, so use caution. Use caution. Say came in with an F-fan. Little girls with them told me you ain't got a preference. I'm on time and I asked you a question. That last week.
Ooh, this is that braiding concealer. What time is it? Okay. What time is it? done. Okay. We're gonna have to go ahead and set this face.
Sorry, what's your feeling?
Oh no, not at all.
Oh, it's matching my poofiness in my head.
Yeah, I'm like, it's getting poofy.
When I straighten it.
Did y'all spray anything on it for y'all? Oh, ooh, girl, that's a powder in the hair. Powder in her hair.
Okay, you wanna come do these edges brown? I do not know how to do these hair. You got anything that we could spray in her hair or no?
It got to be. That's it. I'm not even doing edges for mine.
I was talking about to keep it straight.
Oh no. The got to be. That's the only thing. That's what I would spray. I mean, I sprayed that on top of my wig, but I still need to flat iron it. And then I mean, past y'all still got your hot comb on?
I think so.
I just need to pass it in there like a couple more times and I'm good.
I'm over here trying to find the edges that was already made. I can't get the edge brush. I barely know how to do this too. So.
Oh, that's what it was. This clip in the back came up the last game and I was very uncomfortable.
Just gotta push that whole back in there.
Oh, I found me another nose piercing and it's actually a heart. It's cute for Valentine's Day.
Aw.
Yeah, can you put the jacket this time?
Because it was curling this way.
Yeah, this one's definitely curling that way.
Oh, you
I think
did
that's
a
the way
little
that it was. That's the way that human did it.
Oh.
Wish me luck.
In the face contour. Yeah. Is it giving? Gotta do this part.
I think it got to me and sprayed it. Okay. You gotta make sure they go in the right direction first. No, I'm saying like it will help, like when you lay it down. You got some edge control too? Oh, my bad.
Yeah, it should be in that drawer.
Over here.
Mm-hmm.
Right, every freaking day. Like, I put a hat on my freaking head. I put the hat on my head.
Yeah.
I put the hat on my head.
I get these
It's
braids
still
in
gonna
my
be on
head.
but
I get the braids in my head. I get these braids in my head.
You lucky, cause we always gotta be changing our hair.
Right. Oh, the top
Braids in
of
the head is not really an option.
It's an option right here. Everybody get box braids. Put it in the bun at the top. Get to the back.
So this one is fine, but this one is not. But I think I accidentally ripped those edges out. When I
Okay, let me just. Okay, be back. Okay, so we just add a little blush.
I hate how poofy this is. Go ahead, just keep
It's
brushing
as
it,
if
it'll be
it was
fine.
hair.
Huh?
It's as if it was a curly hair person.
Let's come get it. Okay, let me pack my bag. I'm about to pack my bag because I gotta go. We gotta go.